Alam mo doon. Eto. Stop.
Ay, ano ba yan, Samuel? Ay, mga anak! Ay, Diyos ko, mga anak! Lagi mo, bilisan mo! Nandito ang mga anak natin!
Lina! Alam ko, nagkaroon ka busis. Ay, sige. Ay, Lina! Kate! Mga anak ko! Miss na miss ko na kayo! Ang tagal namin hindi kayo nakita! Hello po, have a Merry Christmas! Villa Castles Hotel, we're waiting for our time to avail of the unlimited lunch at Artist Buffet, rather. There's Kagawad Erwin, the birthday ladies, Mary and Liselle with Elijah, Robbie, the Creams too, the batch of Bombo Raja, Doxy's, Amy, and me. We're appreciating the backdraft of the lobby with the Christmas motif. You know, Christmas is just around the corner. So why not celebrate it on November? Because we're in the Philippines, we are celebrating Christmas at the start of the Burr months, September. Hello po sa mga supporters, followers ng aming drama online via Kwentong Takipsilim and Like. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone. We'll see you next month. Kuya Ino po naman. Salamat po sa support. Bye-bye. You go first. Uto na si Ma. Talagang pigbablog na, no? Nainutan pa ko. Uy! Alata-lata man ko. We're ready to enjoy the gift of the birthday celebrator. Quiet. All our Asian cuisine, especially Japanese and Filipino dishes. Enjoy! Thank you so much, Ner and Giselle.